Two colour counters are one of my favourite manipulatives. They're so versatile. You can use them across all age ranges and for all sorts of mathematical concepts. So I'm just going to show you a couple of ideas now. So let's just copy the blue ones just for a moment. So I'm going to have, let's have 5 of them across here. And I'm going to show you how to use these counters to develop our understanding of 5, to develop our number sense. So here we've got 5, all the same colour in a row, and I can just flip them one by one to show that 5 is made up of a 4 and a 1, or it's a 3 and a 2. And then if I carry on flipping them, I can show you that it's also a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 4. So you've got the commutative property of addition there as well. Now, I could arrange them differently. So I could arrange them like the 5 you have on a dice, for example. So let's get them into that pattern. And I can then do a similar thing by flipping them. So if I flip this middle one, you can see that 5 is made up of the dice pattern of 4 and the dice pattern of 1. And then if I do the same thing with the diagonals, you can see that 5 is made up of the dice pattern of 3 and the dice pattern of 2. So really nice ways of developing our understanding of 5. Then you might also want to use them to do some algebra. So let's take 2 of the counters here, 2 blue ones and a green one. And we're going to have a look at what the values of those counters could be if when we add them together, the total is 10. So the blue one might be 1. So we've got 1, 1, and therefore the green one is 8. Or you might have 2, 2, and 6. And actually, there are an infinite number of solutions to this, because what we're really looking at is the equation 2x plus y equals 10 and all the solutions to that. So you could have negative numbers, you could have fractions, you could have decimals, whatever you like. But using the coloured counters takes away the fear that some children have when they see x and y in algebra and makes it much more accessible for them. So that's just a couple of ideas. There's many, many more, but 2 colour counters, really, really useful. This website is MathSpot. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with that, and there are all sorts of manipulatives to be found there.